Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to save Instagram Reels on our gallery. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to make sure that we do have an updated Instagram account. We can do so by going into our App Store and make sure that everything is updated. Once everything is set, then we can go ahead and log in to our Instagram account. So we do have two options in order for us to save Instagram Reels on our gallery. So first one is we are going to click the reel icon. And right after that, we're going to choose any reels that we want to save. So just like for example, like this. And once done, I can go ahead and click the send icon. And I'm going to add this one to my story. So like this. So all I need to do then is to fit this one on my screen. And once everything is set, then I can go ahead and click send. And once I'm here, I can go ahead and click share. And of course, click done. So right after, we can go ahead and click this so that we can view our reels. So at the moment, the video is still uploading. So we will just be waiting for this one to be completely uploaded. Alright, so the video was now already uploaded on our account. So what we can do then is to click the three dots here. And right after that, we're going to click save video. So basically, that video was already downloaded on our gallery. So if we try to check then, let's try to look on our gallery. So I have here. And if you notice, that video was already here. So the next step is we can go ahead and go back to our Instagram account. And right after that, we're going to go back to the Reels. And once we see the one that we wish to be downloaded, we can go ahead and click the three dots. And we are going to copy the link. So once the link is copied, we can go ahead to our mobile browser. So just like for example, I have here Google Chrome. So all I need to do then is to type in Instagram. And once we are here, we can go ahead and click the first link. And right after that, we're going to paste the link that we copied earlier. So just like for example, like that. And we're going to click download. So basically, the video was already downloaded on our gallery. So let's try and check that. So if you notice, the video is now already here on our gallery. So there you have it. That's how we are going to save Instagram Reels on our gallery. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.